Hello viewers, welcome back to Apple Info YouTube channel. How to fix iPhone battery drain on iOS 18.4. Force restart your iPhone. A quick and troubleshooting method is to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and on-side button until the slide to power off slider appears. Swipe to turn off your iPhone. Wait a few seconds and then hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo. If a force restart fixes your battery draining, then try to update all apps. Sometimes even updating apps may help you decrease the battery draining. To do that, open the App Store app. At the top right corner of the screen, click on the Profile menu. Scroll down and update apps individually or tap Update All to update everything at once. Even updating did not solve the battery draining, then check battery usage by app. Go to the Settings app. Look for the option Battery. Tap on it. Check which apps are consuming the most battery. If an app is draining too much battery, try to use it for less time. Reset all settings. Sometimes after a major iOS update, settings might not work as expected, leading to battery drain. Open the settings on your iPhone. Then tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset All Settings. Tap Reset All Settings. Again, tap Reset All Settings to confirm the process. This will not delete your data, but it will reset settings like saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections and home screen layouts. So even if it did not work for your battery drain, then try to check for future iOS updates. Open the settings on your iPhone. Next, tap on General. Select Software Update. If there is any software update available, try to update the software. In this way, you can easily reduce battery draining on your iPhone. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.